Hi, so in this lesson, we're going to be working with similarities in a triangle or parallel lines, right? So the side splitter theorem says that if a line is parallel to one side of a triangle and intersect the other two sides, then divide those sides proportionally. So that means that A over B is the same as C over D, right? So let's see a couple of examples. First of all, so number one, right? So indicates that those two lines are parallel. So that's important that the lines have to be parallel, right? So in this case, there's two ways of working it. The first one, I'm going to use the big triangle and this little piece right there, right? So let's name this X so it's easier for us to see it. Let's name it X, right? So this piece over here is 15 minus X, right? So I have that X is to 3 as 15 minus X is to 6. Again, X is to 3 as 15 minus X is 6. To 6. So I'm going to cross multiply. So 6x equals 3, then 15 minus x. 6x equals 45 minus 3x. I'm going to add 3x on both sides. 9x equals 45. And I'm going to divide by 9. So x equals 5. So number 2. Again, I know that this small piece right here is 4. Because this is 16, the whole segment, and this piece right here is 12. So that means that this one is 4. Okay. So again, let's name this, let's say A. So I have A is to 4 as 15 is to 12. The order is important. So A is to 4, and I'm using this space first, so 15 is to 12. So I'm going to start by simplifying 15 and 12 by dividing by 3. So I have 5 divided by 4, and now I can cross multiply, or as you see, because my denominators on those fractions are the same, I just can say that A equals 5. And that's it, right? If I cross multiply, I have 4A equals 20, and then I'm going to divide by 4. So A equals 5. The next one, again, this piece down here is 15 minus, let's name this B minus B. So I have B is to 3 as 15 minus B is to 6. So now I'm just cross multiplying. So 6B equals 3, then 15 minus B. 6B, 45 minus 3B. 9B equals 45. Now I'm going to divide by 9, so B is 5. It's just coincidence that all these exercises are equal to 5, but not necessarily is going to be equal to 5. And the next one is the corollary to the side splitter theorem. Let's say if three parallel lines intersect two transversals, then the segments intercepted on the transversal are proportional. So that means that AB over BC is proportional to CD over EF. Here I have that. Again, let's name this, let's say A. So this piece, right? So I can also use the big triangle, the big space. So 35 is to A as 21 is to 6. Again, I can use this whole segment. So 35 is to A as 21 is to 6. The order is important, right? I'm using the big side right here over the big side, right? First, and then the small sides over the small side. So now I'm just gonna cross multiply, or I'm gonna simplify first right here. So this is 7 over 2, and I'm going to cross multiply. So 70 equal to 7a, and now I'm going to divide by 7. So a is 10. The next one. So I'm going to start again. The big side right here. So 4x plus 2 is to the small piece right here, or 6 equals to 7 over 3, right? Remember that this whole segment right here is 7. So I'm going to cross multiply. So 3 times 4x plus 2 equals 42. So 12x plus 6 equals 42. So minus 6, 12x equals 36. And now I'm going to divide by 12. So x equals 3. Okay, again, this whole segment over here equals 14. So I'm going to go over it, right? 9x minus 1 is to 25, as 10 is to 14. No, the other way around. Let me change this right here. So the other way around. So 14 is to 10, right? Why? Because I'm starting with the big segment, the whole segment right there, over 25. So it's 14 over 10. So I'm going to start by simplifying that fraction. So 7 over 5. And I'm just going to cross multiply. Like x minus 1 equals 175. Okay, 45x minus 5 equals 175. So plus 5. 45x equals 180. And now I'm just going to divide by 45. That means that x equals 4. Okay, so the next one. Again, this one is easier for us to identify the value of this segment, right? So this one is 12, the whole segment is 18, so that one has to be 6. 6. So 2x plus 10 is to 14, as 12 is to 6. Again, the order is important. So 2x plus 10 is to 14, as 12 is to 6. So I'm starting with this one, so I have to start over here with that one. So 2x plus 10 over 14 equals 2. So over 1. So 2x plus 10 equals 28 minus 10. So 2x equals 18 divided by 2. So that means that x equals 9. And that's it. The next one, again, I have a triangle right here, right? So that means that this piece and these ones are proportional to that one, or this is over that is, right? So I'm going to start by 2x minus 3 over 5 equals to 12 over 4, right? So 2x minus 3 over 5 equals to 3 over 1. 2x minus 3 equals 15 plus 3 plus 3. 2x equals 18 divided by 2. X equals 9. And that's it for this lesson. May the force be with you.